Hey everyone, so this is the soil I have left from the Montreux fig tree I lost, and I'm going to up-pot slightly my Trovita Orange that I think it's a 2-year now air layer, 2-year-old air layer, and going a 5-1-1 mix, so it's going to be 5 parts bark, 1 part perlite, 1 part soil. So I mean, roughly, just a lot of drainage. So coming the winter months, it's not going to be a big, huge, wet, damp, cold pot that the citrus is sitting in. So that was probably more 1-to-1 right there. Get some more perlite. More bark, lots more bark. I mean, if you look at this bark here, it's been in that trash can for a couple of seasons now, and it's slowly breaking down. I mean, this is almost like a soil too. Maybe still some more bark. I mean, you can see that the bark, after getting past the top layer, and I have it in a trash can with a lid on it, it retains all this moisture. The only thing is there's air pockets in this, but it's soil. That you have less air pockets, and in the wintertime, you want to let this citrus tree dry out. Here. We've got some roots coming through the bottom. Oh, I'm going to, unlike the fig tree, this has to be same level. Alright, not completely packed. Alright, I'm just going to score the bottom. Okay, so I ended up picking this up a little bit and putting a little bit more soil in. I wanted all these roots exposed on the top here. I was going to put a layer of bark down, but I want this to dry out and have these top roots exposed to the air. So I still have about, I could put a little bit of just plain bark on top here if I wanted to, but I want to try it like this. So, the size of these oranges here. So this is New England Gardening, Repotting by Trovita. Should also get the courage up to do some pruning on this. And I'm going to put this in the greenhouse too. So thanks for watching.